You can download Atlas build directly from atlasengine.dev. Currently Mac and Windows builds are available. So once you have downloaded the build, you can set it up. So since I already have Atlas, I'll directly run it. You can just go through the initial setup. What it does, it will identify all the CLIs which you have. So in my case, I have a bunch of CLIs already installed on my machine. So I use Claude, Codex, Gemini and OpenCode. So it will find those. Then you can go to MCP setup. So Atlas automatically installs Atlas Review MCP so that your agents can directly use Atlas without switching the platform. So you can be in your coding agent and you can just ask it to use Atlas MCP. So let's go to next. So you can open folder, you can open a project, or you can directly clone it from GitHub. Since I already have added some projects, so this is Atlas engine itself. So I'll go here. So when you launch a project, Atlas will detect what branch you are in, and it will show you all the files, all the changes you have in that branch. And then if you connect GitHub, it also shows you pull request. So in this video, we'll cover branch review. So what you can do, you can run a review directly from here. So I can do run review and whatever default is configured. So currently Claude Code is configured here. Claude will start reviewing the code using Atlas platform. So while review is running, you can also go to settings and change which provider you want to use for your code review. So sometimes people want to mix it up. So if they are using Claude Code for coding, then they use Codex for review and vice versa. So you can change it here. You can also, let's go back to the setting again. Atlas by default generates a policy for your project depending on your tech stack. So it has already generated these path rules for yourself for your project. So you can change the settings here. So for some paths you completely want to skip, you can skip them. You can read what all settings are here. You can add new paths. So if there's something which Atlas missed and you want a custom setting for it, you can do that. You can write your own prompt. So if you want a reviewer to follow certain instructions, you can give it here. And there are more settings which you can check. You can also view the files in full screen. So if you are someone who wants to check the code, you can directly review the code manually as well. So this is branch, so it doesn't allow writing comment because branch comment doesn't go anywhere. In case of PRs, you can actually comment on the PR. But in case of branch review, you can write your notes. So you can say, why is this here? Let's check this later. This is for your personal note making. So review is complete here. So you can see Atlas has found bunch of issues. It marks every issue as a severity. So this is medium. So you can check here. It found 2 medium and 2 low issues. You can check them. So here you can check the AI comment, and it has also proposed a fix. So you can go in detail. Same for this. Now let's see how my agent can use Atlas. So this is a completely new Claude Code session. It has no idea about Atlas. I can just tell it, use Atlas review to find issues and fix them. So let's see what Claude does. If Atlas didn't have this review, it will actually run the review. So Atlas has all the MCP setup. So you had to just open Atlas, that's it, and you could just talk to your agent. So Claude is aware of Atlas MCP. It will try to find the status first. So Claude is checking the status. It already found a review which we had run, and it's our latest review. So it has seen 4 findings. Now your Claude will start fixing these issues. So you can completely automate this. So once Claude is done, it will commit, and it will also mark all the issues as fixed. So all the issues are fixed by Claude Code, and it is setting all of them as addressed. And if you will check here, these are being addressed here, and those issues are gone. So all the issues are fixed by your agent. So you just need to have Atlas open. you can use your agent to find the issues and fix them.